I just want you to be careful. Alright? You come a long way, Lottie. I really want to tell you something wrong with you.
I have you and respect for Frank. I only give me the courage. Only I like my family.
And family take care of each other. That's why I don't want you just run off and go anywhere you feel like.
You're not worried about that, Bubbles.
By the way, me hear say them do some fix up around that Mark and King bar.
Yeah, them cut down the tree them have cement and block around the line, they build up the place. You want me to come show you? Them start building it? Come. You want to look nice, Bubbles? Come see them. They reach far. Bubbles, let's go, quick.
How are you?
You know this?
Remember me, I need them sick.
Well,
You crazy going down the hill.
Bubbles, you know who tell them so them sound good enough, but they're not so good, yeah?
Come here. Let me hear one.
My boss, I tell you right now, the whole community the back of this thing right now, I tell you. I say if black come, if cement come, everybody does come and just take them off a truck and carry them around, just so. No question asked.
You see it, my general. That's what we have to talk about. Name something that we want, you know. Export and transplant to other communities and make it catch on island-wide. So people in the community can take pride in them community and be motivated things we are happening in the community.
Well, my boss, we'll kick it off, you know. I will see if other community can take on. I tell you, it's a good look to see our next community take on them something here. And I will see them.
Greetings. What going, King? What going, man? All is well.
Blessings.
My love. King?
Yeah, what's up, yeah?
Right, go on, man. Now tell you, no light, go on, good.
I never know such a space big door now.
Hold it for space, man. Hold it. You see, when the project is done, them time they are going to see the beauty of the place. Watch and see.
So you want to do like sports bar kind of something?
Right, I know some ideas are run through my head and I put it through to the general and that will.
Alright, now I know, right.
We're not myself in our box.
Alright,
It's a hope in the dream.
Alright.
But on another note, Mr. said, how the first class go today?
Well, I'll leave that up to Crystal to tell you. She do most of the teaching today.
It was amazing, King. Them full of vibes and them love it. Can't wait to teach them again.
Well, I stand there a proud and happy man today. And I just want to say a great thank you to every one of the them were involved in a breathing new life in this community. We're starting a revolution.
And that I said to you, King. Well, guess what? On another note, you see, because all of this are happening and the goodness of what come out of the community, I could step to the bar and I could have a drink. Because this call for celebration. That's all. Come, Tony.
Shooter.
You know, brother?
Not really, you know. I'm not do some work inside here and see if I show some interest in the community program and also you.
Community coordinator, top of the day to you. Head of operations, young lady, excuse me please. Look what's going on around here in my work scene.
When I go in the car, I'm going to order what I want. Soup.
I think.
Yo, my boss. Me hear say you ask for me. I want me.
Well, somebody told me to talk to you because you're the head of the outreach program. I'm well versed in many things: carpentry, woodwork, flash, render, tie, steel. So I can't volunteer to be on your local program.
All of the things that you tell me a while ago have to do with construction and the arts me deal with.
Well, like I told King, with the versatile, you know, I could DJ, do a little dancing, anything. I just want to be part of the community love that everybody getting.
What your name?